you need to get yourself 5 liters of a HCF-2 CVT transmission fluid. It's going to take a little over 4 liters, so make sure you buy that 5th bottle. Now, we're underneath the car here. First thing you're going to remove is this 12mm head bolt right there. So there's the exhaust, there's the transmission, there's the 12mm head bolt. Pull that out. That's the oil level check. So you want to get that out. The next thing is the drain plug. You're going to take that out and note there's a crush washer underneath it. Those are single use. Reuse it if you're in a pinch, but you prefer to change that out. Pull that out and you're going to drain all the fluid into this pan right here. And you're not going to spill. Then you put the drain plug back in, torque it to 35 foot-pounds, and then you're going to go up on the top of the vehicle and start to add new fluid. Between the battery and the airbox and the top of the engine, you're going to look down, you're going to see a plug that looks like this. Honda CF-2, it says. It's a little handle on the top, and it just pulls out. It doesn't thread out. And once you get that plug out, you're going to drop this long, skinny funnel right down in the hole, right down in there. Careful. Oh, there it goes. That's your transmission fluid fill hole. Glug, glug, glug. And into the drain funnel, you're gonna pour your CVT transmission fluid. And you're gonna pour fluid in until you see it pour out of that drain plug. Like that. Right there. And now you know the transmission's full. So you're gonna take your overflow plug with the 12mm head and put it right back in and torque it down to about that much. Not much. Click. All right, so to put this splash guard back on, hold it up in place, put the aluminum splash guard over top of the plastic splash guard in the front, and then for the bolt way back here, it's the Phillips head bolt. Yeah, stick that guy in right there. And put the 2 10mm head bolts in there. It's always a good idea to put some anti-seize on these things so they'll come off next time. And 2 on either side, you're gonna get these 1/4 turn fasteners. You stick them in and rotate them 1/4 of a turn, just like it sounds like you should. There's that, maybe more like a 1/2 turn. Remember, this is a splash guard, not a head bolt. And now you have the fasteners back in place. And you're done underneath. When you're done putting the transmission fluid in, wipe off the fill plug and then shove it down in the hole. And it's gonna look like that when you're done, way down there. And that completes the transmission fluid flush.